In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant or bookkeeper to Zoho Books. If you want someone else to help manage your finances, review transactions, or keep your books organized, Zoho Books makes it easy to invite them into your account with the right level of access. The key is to add them properly as a user so they can work inside your organization without you having to share your own login details. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon. This is where you manage your organization preferences, permissions, and user access. Click on that settings icon to open the settings area. From there, go to Users under the Users and Roles section. This page shows everyone who currently has access to your Zoho Books organization. It's also the place where you can invite new users and manage existing ones. So if you ever need to review access later, this is where you'll come back. Now click Add User. This opens the form where you'll enter the new person's details. First, type in the accountant's or bookkeeper's name. Make sure the name is entered correctly so it's easy to identify them later, especially if multiple people have access to your account. Next, enter the user's email address. This is important because Zoho Books will send the invitation to that email, and the person you're adding will use it to accept access to your organization. Double-check the address before moving on to avoid delays. After that, choose a role for the user. Zoho Books gives you several options, including admin, staff, timesheet staff, and staff for assigned customers only. The role you choose determines what that person can see and do inside the account. For example, admin usually has broader access, while staff-level roles are more limited. It's a good idea to select the role that matches the work they actually need to handle. Once everything looks correct, click Invite or Save to send the invitation. At that point, the accountant or bookkeeper will need to open the invitation email and accept the invite. Until they do that, their access may remain pending. Finally, go back to the user's page and verify that the user has been added. This helps you confirm that the invitation was accepted and that access is now active. If needed, you can also review their role from this page to make sure the permissions are correct. That's all it takes to add an accountant or bookkeeper to Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.